You're off to see your chiropractor, so how are you going to feel after you get a chiropractic adjustment? You're going to feel good. There's a whole bunch of different reasons, but the main reason is because you're going to have improved mobility, and also when you get an adjustment, the body releases endorphins because you're stretching the muscles. So think about when you go for a run and you get that runner's high, if you enjoy running, it's that sort of feeling because those feel-good hormones are going to get released and they're going to make you feel good. However, you're also going to be able to move easier because the muscles are going to be looser, the joints are going to be looser, so your movement's going to feel better. Your brain's going to be like, hey, I like this, it feels good, so I'm not going to give you pain, I'm not going to give you stiffness, and you're just going to feel good.